going to present you with three theories or postulates. That's a really fancy geometric term used in math or theory. Just three ways to determine if two triangles are equal. And the first one is applied to all of these triangles that you see. So let's just go up here. We have two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle X, Y, and Z. So we have triangle ABC and triangle XYZ. And what do we know from those ticky marks? Well, we know that BC is equal to YZ. So we know that this side and this side, even though they're in two different triangles, they have the same length, the same measurement. We know that line segment XY is equal to line segment AB because two ticky marks equals two ticky marks over here. So we know that in this triangle, the length of this side is exactly the same as the length of this side in this triangle. And finally, we also know that three ticky marks equals three ticky marks. So that line segment XZ is equal to line segment AC. So what we know about these triangles is that every side in this triangle has a corresponding side of the same length over here. This is equal to this is equal to this, and this side is equal to this side. The only thing we don't know about in this triangle, these triangles, are the angles. We know nothing about the angles. We see no arcs. We know nothing about the angles. The first theory is called side, 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 and it states that if you have two triangles like these two, and you know that you have three sides that have corresponding equal sides in the other triangle, so three sides in this triangle have a buddy in this triangle that's equal to them. Three sides, side, side, side. You can say that the triangles are equal. If you know that the three sides have equal sides in the other triangle, those triangles are equal. And we abbreviate this theory SSS, meaning side, side, side. We know that the three sides are equal in all the triangles. In the two triangles, the lengths are the same. Doesn't matter about the angles, those two triangles are equal. So yet again here we have two different triangles. We have one ticky mark is equal to this ticky mark. Two ticky marks means this side is equal to that side. Three ticky marks means this side is equal to this side. We don't need to know about its angles. If the three sides have a corresponding equal side in the other triangle, then by side, 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 those triangles are equal. Now look at down here. We have one ticky mark is equal to one ticky mark, and we have two ticky marks is equal to two ticky marks. So far, just by looking at that and the ticky marks, we know that two sides are equal. But we need three sides in order to say the triangles are in fact equal to each other. But look at this shared side. This side, DT, is in both triangles. And we don't have to put ticky marks. We know that if it's in both triangles, they both have DT, that side is equal to itself. Same as AC here. When it's a shared side, we can say that that side is equal to itself. So if a triangle has another triangle, and you're trying to determine if those triangles are equal to each other, if you know that all the sides in the first triangle have an equal side in the second triangle, you know that those triangles are congruent. Congruent means they are equal.